Hey everyone, welcome to our channel.
Adding multiple email accounts on your iPhone or iPad is easy. You can set up and manage multiple accounts directly through the Settings app. So, here is how you can do it. So, let's get started. Firstly, go to the Settings app on your device. Inside Settings, scroll down till the bottom and you will get to see Apps option available there and simply tap on it. Inside apps, scroll down and tap mail option available there or contacts if you are using an older iOS version. So once you tap on the mail, you can select accounts option available there. So after you tap on the accounts, you can see as much account available in my iPhone right now. So now if you want to add more, then tap on the add account. You will see a list of email providers like iCloud, Google, Yahoo, Outlook. Tap the provider for the email account you want to add. So if your provider is not listed, then you can also select other and manually input the details. Now type your email address and password. If prompted, allow the device to access your email server settings or enter them manually for custom domains as well. So that is it. Once you do so, simply tap on the save option available there and you can add as much accounts as you want. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel, and thank you so much for watching.